Do you know what your skin is eating? The average woman uses 12 products on her skin every day. Many of these products contain chemicals which can cause anything from skin irritation to headaches and contact dermatitis. Some also contain ingredients that are toxic and carcinogenic chemicals, the same chemicals that are found in engine degreasers and floor cleaners. Wait, aren't these meant to be good for our skin? Even products that claim to be natural and organic can contain harmful ingredients that aren't always on the ingredient list. So what products can you trust? Your skin is the largest organ in your body. It absorbs up to 60% of the products you put on it. Just like the foods we eat, the toxic ingredients in these products end up inside your body. If you wouldn't put it in your mouth, why would you put it on your skin? Introducing Edibles, a 100% edible skincare range that is totally safe for your skin. Now your skin can eat just as well as you do. Edibles, feed your skin.